be in the four walls of my room in Nigeria and work on some very advanced projects. My name is Ibrahim Salihu Yusuf. I'm a research engineer at InstaDeep. I joined InstaDeep on July 13, 2020, the 100-plus employee. What I do basically is to leverage existing data or gather data where not available in order to solve some real-life problems. And we do this by trying to mimic how the human brain processes data. 2020/2021, there was a major locust plague that originated from somewhere in the Middle East, and the locusts moved in swarms. So when we say swarms, we mean like a group of millions of locusts. Sometimes it can get up to like 80 million. So they migrated from the Middle East towards the Horn of Africa, and this resulted in a major food security issue because the size of those swarms, they are able to consume a lot of agricultural like plants. They get to agricultural fields and then eat up the crops there. And of course, you know what is going to happen is that the food that is meant for humans and livestock will no longer be available. So this was a major food security issue. So once we saw that, we felt, how can we leverage AI to sort of mitigate against this? Our methodology is to try to identify those locust breeding grounds. So once we are able to identify them, we have this period of time, about 3 to 4 weeks, like I said, before they are able to fly, whereby we can say, okay, we can tell like the organizations responsible, whether government organizations or some other organizations like the UNFAO, look, this is a potential locust breeding ground. And then they can carry on some control activities in order to like mitigate the havoc that can be caused by those locusts. So once we are able to do that over a period of time, then we can get to reduce to a very minimum level the effect of this locust, because what is going to happen is going to be cascading. So this generation of locusts that is supposed to grow into adults and migrate to another place and lay eggs and form another adult. So you see, once we are able to like eliminate them, we actually have eliminated some future generations of locusts that might have resulted.